as expected. So I think, should I remove this or wait for tomorrow? Because I think it's ready. I'm seeing someone already took out one, but I want it to be red, and they're really nice. So maybe tomorrow I can come for these two. These 3, maybe a week or so. I'm seeing that this one, I don't like that anyway. This one's after 2 days, then the rest can stay there, because I want to remove this tomorrow in case it's rotting or something. Yeah, then the rest, they're still green, so I'll have to wait for them to ripen up before I harvest them. Then we have this other one. So here we have 2 tomato trees. This one is doing quite well. I like that the tomatoes are big. Yeah, then this other one, they're still young, so we'll see. And this one is branching out nicely. Yeah, then that's it. So these are my tomatoes. I also have 2 other ones here, but because they're growing next to dirty water, I don't know if we'll harvest them. So these ones I'm not so sure. Let's go and see how the vegetables are doing. So as you can see, we added more of sukuma wiki. So it's a lot of sukuma wiki, but now I think we'll have to get grass, dry grass, and put on top as we water it. Then we also added onions. I've realized spinach don't do well, because as you can see, I'm only remaining with a few, like 3 or 4. But then again, Scott dug this area where we had planted most of the spinaches. Yeah, so that's it. These sugar canes, I don't think they'll grow up like they'll grow to have sugar cane, but I think it's just nice that they're keeping the area green. From my previous video, this one is dead already, and this sukuma wiki, I think we should remove them today, just because you see imeanza kukulwa. So let me just remove them, and then we'll just add in the other vegetables that we'll be cooking today. So I always remove until it's maybe just 1 or 2 remaining, especially for this one, because it's not like we've sprayed. We usually don't spray them. Then as you know, shells are very good for manure, so there you go. And this one, I think I'll just do 1 and 2, then I'll remove these 2. This one looks like it's going to dry up soon, so I also take it. Yeah, that's it. I love that papaya. I hope it grows soon. If you've not seen akunde, this is how akunde looks like, but it's just 1. Yeah, I've decided to just remove it. It can ripen from inside the house. Oh shit. I'll just remove the 2 then, because hii imetoka. No, let me try and take a thread and just tie around, because if I leave it like that, this part will dry up. So yeah, this is my harvest for today. So this is how I've tied it, but I feel like because this thread will actually absorb water from the branch, so it's just going to break out eventually by tomorrow. But I'll come back and see. If it's good, then I'll leave it like that. If it's not, I'll have to harvest that onion together with this one that looks like it might rot because of the water or something. I don't know if someone poured something on it, so I'll have to remove those two, or even plus this one. Also, if you're trying to ripen something, you just cover it with something dark. So I'll tie this up, then I'll put it in a dark place. By tomorrow it will already be red and ready to be eaten. As expected, this one got spoiled, so we threw it away. I'm going to remove this. I think it looks okay, so this worked. And I need to wipe this. Then this is 2 days later. I think this is ripe. So these two are going to go there for a day because I think this one is almost ready. So for a day, I'll wrap this up, then put it in a dark place, and this one is going to go these other ones. If you can see the difference, this is what I've harvested, and then these ones are some that we bought, and then this I think we'll plant these little ones, so we'll see. More harvest from that one tomato tree, so I'm going to keep this again so that they can ripen by tomorrow.